In a world of high volatility and false promises, DeFi was supposed to level the playing field, but for many, it became a high-risk game of chance. Shavez Ahmed Siddiqui, fintech visionary and founder of LquidPay, saw the need for a better system, not just speculation, but sustainable wealth generation. The result? Protocol Yield. Protocol Yield is a next-gen DeFi platform that connects everyday users to elite algorithmic trading strategies, backed by real performance, settled daily, all powered by our proprietary PY score. People don't need hype, they need results, transparency, and real ownership. Every day, profits are distributed automatically. You're not guessing, you're earning. With full transparency, on-chain records, and zero lock-ins. While others chase token pumps, Protocol Yield focuses on trader performance. We partner with elite talent, vet strategies, and score risks, so you don't have to. With broker partners like Binance and Bybit. Execution is fast, infrastructure is solid, and access seamless, anytime, anywhere. Protocol Yield is not about speculation, it's about predictable access to profit-backed DeFi without the noise, the risk, or the games. We're putting performance over promises and rebuilding trust in DeFi through PY Score. Ready to let your capital work smarter, not harder. Join the protocol where your profits speak louder than the hype.